What's up, people? There I go and hold it, you know. I both want to cooking idea, you know what I mean? So I'm gonna know and show you what I deal with, you see me? So I saw things set, you see me? How I cook again? Oh, yeah. I do some press planting. Yeah, I love press planting, you know. You see me? Wait. Oh, we have now. Where them there now? Where them there? Pop chai. Yeah. Pop chow, pop chai. I mean, everybody pronounce it different. You see me?
You cooking for me, Daddy?
So that me I go there, you know. So put myself together, you know. Here she for come run with me, you know, and I come talk, boy. If me cooking for me, Daddy. Yeah.
Well, when I good clean wife would take showers.
Baby.
That's why I miss me. What?
Come here.
Yeah, I call out there for me beard.
Yeah, man. So you done all the things set, you know. Get the pop chai, pop chow. You know what I mean? Alright. Don't know the thing already. So we take them off. You know what I mean? And wash them place, them part there night, you know. Do the whole of that. Whole of the pop chow there. Just like this, you know what I mean? So I show them that like a sneak preview for it, you know? Enough people probably not eat the white part, but love it. Yeah, so I deal with that. You know what I mean? And then when I go deal with the seasoning, green seasoning and them something there, like thyme, scallion, onion and them something there. I couldn't see what. Yeah, man, so you don't know me get my scallion. Yeah. AKA green onion. Yeah.
Wow, what is that?
Get some time in now. It's a time in night, you know, you know. You don't know. Country pepper. Yeah, so put in a veggie now. You don't need a big pot, you know, because no matter how much veggie you put in the pot, when you start steam down, everything gone down. So you don't know this thing set. A little pimento seed in it. Give it a flavor, you know.
And you know why I'm saying that? Because you was talking about pimento.
Garlic powder, onion powder. And you not got have too much onion. I mean, no problem now. What I say, I'm gonna put so much of that. You not gonna rear it now. Put some complete. Yeah. The sea salt. So here I don't know, I just make it steam down and then I taste it and see if you want more salt or something, you know. Because the seasoning I use all of it, then on the salt, so there you go. So you know what I have to put in this, right? Alright. I don't tell me so my pot too small, you know. You want to say me push, no. Alright, pot.
That's how it's supposed to be. He professional cook, not y'all.
Yeah, boy.
It's the truth.
Yeah, different daddy.
Yeah.
I mean, different daddy, yes. We can't defend daddy and not bad up with people, and brother. It ain't easy,
That's how
dog.
I defend you. I bad at people.
Oh, so you're a bad man.
Yeah.
You know, me never know. No, me know. Alright, so my potter. I up down. We're not gonna see when it's steamed down or it all look. Pretty?
It is pretty.
So me I go to know just squeeze down this, you know?
So you can get all the juice out.
Alright. So you say go down? Alright, so steaming down. So it'll take time lock by itself. So this is the potter now. Turn on the potter now for the plantains. Man, so avocado oil may I use. We nobody use them other oil again. Yeah, that's supposed to go. A long time I chew it, but a small amount coming at the time. Listen. Alright, you hear that? Sizzling hot. Alright. Yeah, so I go deal with the plant them now. So I put oil on my hand because plant them have stain on it, you know. And rub it up. Yeah. Just like that. Oh. Then when I just use all I go wash them out. You know? So that's why you got some work. So I cut this in about 3. So we done peel the plant, you know. I have to clean up my place because I see some people are cook, bro, and the whole place is nasty up. No, I can't manage that. See that? Clean back my place, man. See that? So I just this alone dirty right now. You see me? Yeah. Yeah, man. So I think set. So I go to now get some salt. And salt it, you know. And shake it up. Yeah. So I'll go on with it. So the oil, you know. So the oil. The oil takes time array, you know. Cover it a little bit. Make them soft. You see what I say? Yeah, make them soft. So when you press it, you know say it bust up and crumble up and all them something. That's how I deal with the thing, see? Vegetable. See you going right down now? Telling me, you know. So you don't need a big pot, you look big, you look enough. You know what I mean? Smell nice. And put this on boats. Yeah. I can just put it in the rest of them too. Use a neck. And them never want to put no whole heap. On them flat out. Come here, I can press them, you know. Want space, you know. So you don't know the thing set, you know. So when the pressing part start, or even before that, I make you see what I go and say. Alright, then I say nothing. I got thing there now. I got stir up my thing now, you know. You have to carry the one them from the the fire, don't have fire and cap on top, you know. You see me? To make everything this way. Just cover it, look here. Them soft. So I'm ready to press them. Them are so easy. 1, 2, you know what I mean? Yeah man. That's how I do my thing. That's everybody I say, yo, RASHKAMAR, you have to walk my restaurant, you know, brother, cause you're bad, you know. But you don't know what the thing said. Restaurant work hard, brother. Hard. When I say hard, I mean real hard. You see me? So, now I say, I own a restaurant, but not really right now. You know what I mean? Because it costs a lot of money for even open a restaurant anyway, but that's how the thing said. Just showing us some little skill we have here. Yeah! Yeah. Put it on paper towel, you know. And press it, you see me? Yeah. See it? And take it off. And put it back into the fire. Yeah. Some really hard people probably out there. We can never use the plantain skin. Plantain skin pop up, brother. So we're not gonna work. So right now, I'm not gonna put no more cover over it because the pressed plantain now, you can't cover it for your steam now. You want it crisp. You understand what I say? Yeah. So that's so you go. We can take out some of them and put in a plate or something for later, you know. I'm ready again.
Oh snap! Look at my baby cooking it up.
Yeah.
Oh my god, I missed you, honey. I went to go take a shower. Smell fresh and nice.
Yeah.
Okay, remember you said that you love about me?
Always fresh.
I smell nice.
Right.
At 10 years, over 10 years now, man, and the man said, yo, never meet a girl clean, so.
That's true, man. I read that, man. Read that.
You said no smell, IG always ever at the pine. And house always clean and them thing them. Say love that. Can you say ain't nobody nasty, you would have gone.
Alright.
But yeah man, look how my baby I do. Wow, baby them they look nice and pretty, you know.
You want the one that don't already.
Stop playing with my baby, okay? Get you a Chef Boy or Rash. No, they can't have Chef Boy or Rash. Go get you a Chef Boy or something, but not Rash, okay?
Yeah. check out my veggie. Check out my veggie, baby.
Ooh, this is a little bit hot on my hand. Wow, see that Bok Choy. That nice.
I tell them from earlier, I said no water, watch it. I look at water.
That's spring water, eh?
Yeah, man, I say I have to deal with it.
Bok Choy soup. And the press plantain, don't know how we always a chef up this thing. Yeah. You think my man is a jack of one trade?
Alright.
No.
Alright.
My baby is a man of all trades. Right. You feel me? Yeah man. Oh yeah, we're not talking about the hygiene thing or people. This a man here. Almost 11 years with them. Never, ever, 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 ever. Ever not even if you look at me, not even when a man sick, not even when he just wake, not even when nothing. Ever smell that man here. Mouth, body, nothing. Right. Hygiene on point.
Alright. I saw it like for go man.
I said for go man. Cause me can't bother with the stink thing, you know, cause me easy, my stomach easy for sick.
Alright.
We can't manage that. No, me easily turned off on them something there, so me can't manage stink and yeah.
You know, let's even have it stink man. Look much soap and nothing.
Well, apparently a lot of them don't know which part the soap sell. Yo, sometimes you have some pretty girl in there, nice and woo and roops and roops. Oh, when you go say hi darling, how are you? Be like, what's your name? And them open, ha. Remember me told you, run, you want to run like blood clot and see ya.
Run.
Run. But yeah, guys, over there I cook up and thing. Me not feel so good today. Today my time. And yeah, Obi knows enough to mess with me. But I start out Obi already, you know, so I'm good for 1 week.
Alright.
Good morning.
Good morning. This one is supposed to do the people in school and they're in here. Just wake.
I didn't just wake.
Oh, we just come out of the room. You was in hibernation.
I didn't just come out the room. I just came out the bathroom.
Boy, bye. Yeah. My husband's sexy. I don't see them muscles there when I lift up all the pan. I don't see that.
Show them, baby.
That's my baby. My handsome hubby in the kitchen chefing it up, whipping it up.
Yeah.
Boy, you want that ball there? Me soon put out the two on them.
Yeah, that. Just push to the north.
People, so the orange here. My face look very oily because I just beard and fresh up and, you know. Girl have to just clean. Girl mouth have to clean. Girl tongue have to clean. Girl teeth have to clean. Ears have to clean. Nose have to clean. Everywhere have to clean. Down there have to clean. Because I just him reside, you know.
Amen.
So it have to clean. You don't know. But yeah, people, me there. So my ginger ear, yo people. I get so much compliment from my ginger ear. Me not lie. Girl come out this weekend in a ginger.
That's my
Me get me one heap of compliment from my social media with the hair and everything. And I want to say big up to everybody who commented and left a nice comment for me and, you know, was digging the look. Big up on yourself. You don't know what you the man I eat before and done cook. How can I cook in this?
Look at me, guys.
You know me can't taste like this enough, huh? No, me have to taste enough.
Oh yeah, and remember, I say I'm me craving, you know. I need to start pay attention and listen to the things that I say. You say I'm me craving, say you can't just take a look at taste like that. You must eat a whole bowl. Yeah, so who craving?
That mean craving.
Who craving?
Because when I do this now, me not going to eat. Me don't want to feed you. Everything I talk here won't know. You know.
Really?
Yes, baby. So who craving now?
You same way. My son is scared. Yo, you know, so this like a take in as a for a real park, basketball court, and skate park. Don't skate on my rug, please. Hold it up if you want to skate.
Yay!
Because the wheel them dirty and it take a rub off on my rug.
No, I can clean that.
And I just have to go lick off your green shots off. And your poop I can't know nothing about it. Watch him. Cause more wild people, the two of them gang up on me, you know.
Me?
And they make me pick the fight against me, you know. Yo, come here, my son. Come here, my son. Don't hug her. Don't hug that lady.
Yeah, he always been making me gang up on you.
Me, you ready?
Yeah.
He's a wicked boy.
And you too. We shouldn't even talk to you because you make him influence you. You know, say turn off for go too. Cause when I come going like say when you rate me.
Rate them, I'm gonna rate them when they have to. Enemy lost runway.
Oh. Like how you tell me stuff again, pick and go about my business.
Yeah.
Oh. You still want me to go about my business? Yeah?
Now you have to give me an next fitness.
Yeah.
I thought you said wash belly.
Wash belly?
After that.
Ooh, are you want me wash belly?
No.
I'm gonna tell him so I'm a wash belly. Cause he might wash belly picture no more. When you hear this people, the man have plans for breed me. That's funny. Cause me and Obi have some plans and some things we're gonna do in the making, you know, so that now can work.
Yeah, that's done.
Yeah, we have a whole heap of things we're lining up for do. So
Yeah.
you don't know.
I want to
Ready.
teach them how to skate.
I can't wait.
Yeah, me hungry. I'm in the airplane. I have to get me till they're done. You have 3 more pieces for them.
No, I'm not gonna sit down, my belly hurt me.
So you want your food now?
Yeah.
Well, record me skate. So
Go on.
you put your feet in the V-shape and slide this
Let me give you your dinner, your breakfast.
Watch out, man, that's spin. No.
You want 3 pieces with it? That good?
I've been doing
Yeah.
that since the weekend.
That good.
I don't got no school today because it's been raining.
No, I'm not put this in the cup. I don't want them.
That gets saggy.
Yeah, the liquid. So I get a different bowl. Them plantain up here. Eat the way there, you know?
Yeah, people, so when you don't know, make sure you go check out RASHKAMAR Entertainment and check out Face Beat by NIQUE. The descriptions will be in the descriptions. The link will be in the description bar below. So you guys go ahead and click on the link and check out those channels. If you like what you see, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And turn on your notification bell, okay? Period.
Show them your plate there.
Oh, see my food here? Don't know. Obi chef it up for me. I feel good today. Obi say, you know what? I cook my wife some food, you know.
Yeah.
Don't know how it go already. So while I was taking my shower, Obi was out here cooking it up.
Right. You see how quick you ready?
Yeah, man. Healthy food not take long for cook.
Alright, about 30 minutes.
Yeah. Anyways, people, me, I gonna leave on you now. Me, I gonna eat my food, me, I gonna relax, my belly hurt me, me not in a mood. None of them something there, so me, I gonna chill out, relax with Obi and...
Yeah, so you don't know the thing setting now, I tell you, say, oh. You can't see? Come.
Why you just come squeeze in here, look?
Come.
Because you gonna
scared.
chill with me too.
Yeah.
Go scared.
You my sonny boy.
We are a family. I got all my with me. Cause we are a family.
Yeah, soon.
Get up, everybody.
Soon forward with my plate, man. You can't do
Go on,
that.
man. Yes, enough.
You can't do that like that. You can't do that neither. You can't run him like that neither. Let me go. My son.
Hey, away I go.
Sonny boy.
Mommy.
Him come for okay, I can talk about mommy. So yeah, people, right? That's love you guys so much. Thank you guys for subscribing, leaving your comments, liking the videos, sharing the videos. Thank you guys so much. We greatly appreciate it. We're gonna keep those videos coming for you guys, and we hope you guys are enjoying the videos that we're putting out and the content that we're putting out for you guys. So yeah, that's it there. And if you guys would like to see us do videos, certain type of videos, comment it down below. We're open to suggestions. Let us know what you guys want to watch, because we're doing this for you guys so you guys can be entertained. So your input is very important. So yeah, just let us know in the comment section what kind of videos you guys would like. All right, your girl NIQUE wants to go chillax and eat. I'll see you guys in the next video, or I'll possibly see you guys in this video a little later on. So just stay tuned. All right, peace.
Yeah, man. I might want this now. Plantain, pressed plantain, and steamed bok choy. Yeah. So you don't know the thing set, you know. I'm done cooking now, you know what I mean? Not 30 minutes. I done. Go eat some food now.